Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will explore Nvidia in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 17th of January, 2025, our system has identified Nvidia as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.82. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.8%. This amounts to an average return of 2.27% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper portion of a broad and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at 148.56 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it may also signal the beginning of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 3.39% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 16.52% to negative 2.41%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 99.43% over the next year, with a potential return between 77.78% and 106.75%. This implies a price range of 261.46 to 304.7 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Nvidia stock after gaining 4.43%. The Nvidia stock price increased by 4.43% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, rising from $140.83 to $147.07. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if it continues to rise or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.87%, with a low of $143.67 and a high of $147.79. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.58% over this period. There was an increase in trading volume on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 46 million more shares were traded than the previous day. Overall, 235 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $34.49 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $153.13, while the lowest price was $59.94. Currently, the price is 3.96%, or $6.06, below the 52-week high of $153.13, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia stands out in the artificial intelligence stock market as of January 22, 2025. Recent reports highlight Nvidia alongside Palantir as 2 leading stocks with significant potential for gains this year, capturing the attention of investors. The company's robust revenue growth in the data center sector is fostering optimism, especially as demand for high-end graphics processing units continues to rise. This trend is anticipated to support profit margins, even as operating costs increase. Institutions are increasingly investing in Nvidia, which has delivered impressive returns of 250% over the past decade, reflecting strong confidence in its future performance. Furthermore, a recent joint venture involving artificial intelligence investments from major players, including Oracle and OpenAI, is also enhancing positive market sentiment for AI stocks, benefiting Nvidia alongside peers such as Microsoft and Google. Amid these developments, concerns have emerged regarding Nvidia's position in quantum computing, with industry experts suggesting that fully realizing this technology may take several years. However, this has not significantly overshadowed its core artificial intelligence business potential. Overall, these developments indicate positive short-term momentum for Nvidia, due to increased institutional interest and market optimism, likely driving its stock price higher in the coming months. In the long run, sustained investments in artificial intelligence infrastructure will be crucial to the company's valuation, potentially securing its position at the forefront of the technology industry. The combination of favorable market trends and heightened demand reinforces the outlook for Nvidia's stock well into the future. Analyst ratings. On Monday, January 13, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned NVDA a buy grade alongside a hold action. On Thursday, January 9, 2025, Oppenheimer rated NVDA with an outperform grade, while also suggesting a hold action. On Wednesday, January 8, 2025, Citigroup issued a buy grade for NVDA, accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, November 22, 2024, Jefferies gave NVDA a buy rating with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, November 21, 2024, Wolfe Research awarded NVDA an outperform grade, while also suggesting a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Nvidia's stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The chart reveals predominantly positive signals today. Nvidia's stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting an optimistic outlook. However, there exists a general sell signal due to the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On any downward corrections, some support will be established at the levels of $137.20 and $137.96. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 11.62%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has been indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MAD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 75 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia finds support from accumulated volume at $146.67. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.12 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.87%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.27%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2026 is anticipated on the 19th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 84 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $148.31. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $146.67. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Puri AJK, who bought and sold 36,606 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 95.705. In total, insiders purchased 99,852 shares and sold 8,102,378 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $141.42, representing a decline of 3.84%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 5 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 23rd of January, we expect Nvidia to open down 89 cents and start trading at $146.18. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please do not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.